In this episode, we're going over gift funds. Welcome to Mortgage Mechanics. Buyers purchasing a primary or second home can use gift funds from an acceptable donor for all or part of the down payment and closing cost. The amount of gift funds a buyer can use is determined by the loan type, the residence, and the loan-to-value ratios. Acceptable donors are defined as the buyer's relatives, their spouse, child, dependents, or any other individuals related by blood, marriage, adoption, or legal guardianship. Non-relatives that share familial relationships with the buyer are also acceptable donors. These include domestic partners or their relatives, individuals engaged to be married to the buyer, former relatives, and even godparents. Donors may not be or have any affiliation with the builder, developer, real estate agent, or any other interested parties in this transaction. Let's look at a minimum buyer contribution required for a conventional mortgage that contains gift funds. If the loan-to-value is 80% or less, all funds needed to complete the transaction can be gifted to the buyer. This is true for primary residence and secondary homes. At a loan-to-value of 80%, buyers purchasing a single-unit primary residence do not need to provide their own funds. All funds needed to complete the transaction can come from a gift. At this loan-to-value, 2 to 4 unit primary residence and second homes require the buyer to make a minimum contribution of 5% from their own funds. After this minimum has been met, gift funds may be used. All gifts must have a letter signed by the donor specifying the actual or maximum dollar amount to gift, include the donor's statement that no repayment is expected, and indicate the donor's name, address, telephone number, and relationship to the buyer. Here at Equity Resources, we have a pre-made form for this information to make it a simple process for our buyers. There is also required documentation to verify the funds transfer. There are a few ways to document this, so this is something your mortgage specialist can go over with you in detail when the time comes.